Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Taylor. Browse around. I have different makeup looks, fashion hauls, vlogs, whatever. So hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell for that so you can be notified when I post different content. Today we're going to talk about the new Amrezy palette. I'm so excited about this palette. Make sure you guys follow me on social media, because I also do a lot of makeup looks and fashion outlooks and things like that. Y'all can like catch up on me with that one. I just cut my hair. This is the hair I had at BeautyCon. I do have a hair channel. It's called My Heritage, MY with the little squigglies, HAIR, and then an itage at the end. It's mostly natural hair, but I do have like hair reviews like on hairs, and I did a hair review on this hair. Bobby Boss. I had this for like almost a year ago. I had it back in April. I bought it back in April for my birthday. It was $70, and it was getting raggedy daggedy. I was like, no. So I just revamped it because my sister Marissa had revamped her wig, and I was like, oh, let me save this wig, so I do look like a Barbie, which I like a lot. I'm excited about that. Like, look at this look, guys. This is so cute. I did a tutorial on this look. Just stay tuned for the whole video until the end. I'm gonna do a review of whether I like it or not, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinions about this. See, to let you know if it's worth your money or not. So we're going to get on to the video, guys. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to moisturize we're going to wipe our faces. I've been out all day, so so by the way, I cut my wig. This was the wig that I had for my birthday when I went to BeautyCon, and throughout all the long wigs, like the long wig that you guys been seeing since last April. It's this wig. It was long, it was nappy, and I cut it. I tried to make that cut, but it was too blunt. But I mean, it's a little something for someone who, I don't do hair really, but I mean I can, because this wig was not even soft. It wasn't even brushable, but now it is, because I did some stuff. If you want to see that video, I posted a little snippet of how I did it on TikTok. Basically you can see that my TikTok name is Tayloringtl. I follow back. I would like to see you guys videos, because I like TikTok. My friends got me into it. At first I was trying not to get into it, but I ended up doing. I'm gonna use these little wipes just to wipe my face down, because you want to start on a clean canvas, of course. Oh yeah, and the hair is Bobby Boss. I have a review on his hair on my hair channel, so guys, don't forget I do have a hair channel. Don't forget to go subscribe to that, because I'm gonna start doing my natural hair again. For a while I've been so busy, but my face has been breaking out lately. I don't have no clue why, because I have been drinking like gallons of water. Seems like I drink so much water. I drink so much water, so I don't know what's going on. And then I'm gonna take the Pond's moisturizer and moisturize my face. This is my prep for my skin. For some of you guys don't know, you just need like a little bit. You don't want too much, because you don't want your face to be super oily. You just want it to be hydrated. This is the palette. I'm so excited to use it. This is what it looks like on a back. So taking it out. That. I'm excited to open it up. These are the shades we're going to be working on. Everybody has been using the pinks and the blues and whatnots. I kind of wanted to do pink ever since I saw the palette automatically. I wanted to do pink. And then everybody's been doing like the same thing. And I'm like, oh man, I wanted to do that before they wanted to do that. And then I'm coming out here late with it because, you know, I be working out here. I don't know if everybody else is, but yeah, so OG, let's do that as my transition. Let's see what that does. OG. Yeah, I'm getting a little fallout. So, this is what the shade OG looks like on my complexion. I can only speak for myself, clearly. I'm doing kind of a rounded look. I don't want to do like a cat eye look. I just want to do round today. I like that as a neutral shade. I really like this color, this neutral. It's really pretty. So far I'm liking it. We're just gonna build up on it. I mean, this is not like a main color. It's just something I just wanted in the background. It's transitions. BH Cosmetics, and then number 6. And I'm going to hit on Samesa. I don't know who that is, but or who inspired that name, but I'm gonna use this color right here. Should I do it like this? Yeah, that color right there. This and right here. Just focus that over here. Again, we're gonna keep this rounded. Just do it in circles. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. All right, so now we're gonna take this black color called BK. I guess that stands short for black. We're gonna just put a dab, like a snap, like a dab of that. Ooh, that's, y'all, I barely touched my eyelid. That's a lot. Okay, so just take that and we're gonna keep that in an outer V. Cause I want to kind of, everybody's doing a smoky pink look, but I want to make mine different. I just want to do it. I wanted to do it in the first place, but anyways, everybody's doing it. So you just take that out a little bit out in the inner corner, but not much. Just a little bit out there. Really just leave that alone after that. Okay, so that one's really tense. That black is black, and it's the blackest black I've ever had. So I gotta give props to that. The black in here is smack. Like, I like how that came. That means you have to be more careful, but that black literally won't disappoint you. If you want black, that's the black. That's just it. I find it easier when the mirror is down. When you look at eyeshadow, you can see the whole everything. So I would take a dense brush and really try to blend it out. One thing about this P. Louise, it's easy to, you know, do this stuff, but best believe your eyeshadow will be staying still. I noticed that. But I like how this P. Louise is better than something that's liquidy, I would say. Like concealer. And just really just take that up and out like that a little bit, just to diffuse it a little bit on this side. Just really diffuse it. I'm coming in that crease area to make it like more dimension almost. There will be no cut creasing or anything in here. Okay, so now that we got that settled, we're gonna go back with that pink a little bit and diffuse whatever, or just blend it out to not make it as harsh, but I don't want it to be gone either. Just a little bit. I'm gonna use Barb above where the brow bone is. That's gonna be our eyebrow shade, our brow bone shade. I'm gonna take this pink. I keep dropping the freaking brush. Let me take this Amrezy pink, right here, and I'm going to put that where the pink is, right next to the black. So far it's showing up, so far I have no complaints with that. I'm gonna use just one side. And I'm just gonna bring it up. This is the CoverGirl concealer brush, by the way. I just got it for 99 cents at Five and Below. Again, it's the same color I keep getting. Anyways. So, I recommend getting a clean brush, just to have a clean brush to just diffuse everything. Like the transitions, I would say. Now I'm gonna go in with Cupcake, which is this color right here. It's this color right here. I can't tell if that's purple or pink. It looks pink purple. I don't know. But I'm gonna just, that's definitely, I'm gonna put that kind of outside this part, or where we, like on top of the black almost. Just pat that on, just a little bit, cause that's purple and I didn't mean to do that. I should have trusted my gut on that one, but really pretty purple, but that's not what I wanted. I'm going to go in now with Barb, and that's gonna be what we're gonna use towards like our front. Oh, it does fall out. It does fall out. And I just put that in and blend that into the pink one, like that. This Barb color is kind of like a holographic color, so it's not Barbie, I would say. I would say Barbie should have been named this one, Amrezy. But this one's kind of like a pink with gold reflex on it. That's what this is kind of reminding me of. So I'm gonna just put that, you know, since my eyes are primed or whatever, just put that towards this area and just build that on. I honestly, that's really pretty. Yeah. But you see how it's getting in, like the product is getting, it was a little chunky, got in that part. I can still use it clearly, but I'm just saying. Just saying. I put a little bit of Anastasia on it too. It's this other color that's down at the bottom. This other color down here. So I'm gonna put liner on this and just call it a day. That's gonna be the top part of my eye. I'm gonna finish my eye once I do my face. So just diffuse everything with a clean brush, basically, and make sure there's no, everything is flawless and seamless and everything. Okay, so I do have fallout. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish my face and I be RB. Okay guys, so I'm totally loving loving this look. I'm so close and personal, but you know, you gotta see what's going on. These lashes, number one, $3, guys. Bomb. Okay, just got them from the hair store, literally. I showed you guys what they were before. I had messed up on my bottom lashes and I put a dot, so I was like, oh, dots, right, let me just put some dots on my eyes. So that's where that came from. I'm getting Barbie vibes, which I'm, you know, happily dripping right now. I'm so excited about this look. I think this is one of my favorites, I gotta say, because pink is my favorite color. Well, purple is, but I like to decorate with pink, and I like pink as an accessory color. And I love pink and purple, period. I'm not even gonna try to justify, I just like both colors. I'm just loving it. Like, I mean, how can you not? Oh, don't need to see that mess right there. How can you not like this look, guys? Like, the palette itself is amazing. Where is it? Okay. Obviously gonna have to fix the lighting for when I do the thumbnail, because I love this palette. I just love it. The shades are really pretty. Like, just look how everything is pigmented. Everything comes out great. I don't really need to swatch. I did do a video on like the swatches and things like that. That's like Barb, Lady Looks Like. I don't like doing swatches personally. I get everywhere, but it's really good. It's worth your money. I think all the shades are great. The black is very black. It's perfect. Literally, you have perfect colors in here. A lot of people are like, you're buying the same thing for the bottom row, like from all the other palettes. I can see that, but I think it's a little bit more pigmented, I gotta say, than the other ones. Like the black is darker, the browns are more browner. So I'm excited about this palette. This is like one of my favorite palettes because the packaging, one, first of all, I freaking love. How can you not love this packaging? One, it's pink. Two, it matches my room. Three, it's pink. And I really like this a lot. Like, I like it so much. So I give this 100 out of 100. Like, honestly, I'm not even lying. I wouldn't lie to you guys. I can tell you I'm honest with everything. I'm honest with everything. And if I don't like it, guys, you would know. But I'm really vibing with this palette. Like, everything is, and I love the P. Louise base. Okay, that's a must-have too. My eyeshadow's popping. Like, I like it better than concealer. It's easier. It was a lot easier to deal with than concealer, in my personal opinion. But guys, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want next, like a review on my products. If you like the one palette challenges, like just when I do use one palette for each look, like I only used this palette for this entire look, eye look, I might do that, start a series like with that. That'd be fun because I have a ton. I have like at least 16 palettes, maybe more, and I can just do like looks for each one. So I'm really excited about this palette. I love it a lot. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more on the feature, and I'll see you guys. All right, see ya.